Once you have finished installing your Schlage Home Keypad lever or Home Keypad deadbolt, you can enroll it in your home automation system with your Nexia bridge. First, disconnect your bridge from power and Ethernet. Install a 9-volt battery into the bridge to provide temporary power during enrollment. To enroll your lock, you will need the 6-digit programming code located on the yellow label on the lock installation instructions. The code is also located on the back of the keypad assembly. Hold the bridge within 6 feet of the lock during the enrollment process. Following are the enrollment steps. These must be completed within 30 seconds. Press and release the plus button on the bridge. The orange light will begin blinking. On the keypad, enter the 6-digit programming code. The Schlage light will blink orange 3 times and you will hear 3 beeps. Now press the Schlage button, then the 0 button. The Schlage button will blink orange. While enrollment is in progress, the orange LED on the bridge will blink rapidly. The enrollment process is complete when the orange LED on the bridge stops blinking. After enrollment is complete, remove the battery from your bridge and reconnect it to power and Ethernet. Your keypad deadbolt or keypad lever enrollment is complete. Visit mynexia.com for your next steps. Installing a Schlage Home Keypad lever will improve your home security and your peace of mind, and it's so easy. For a standard door prep, the only tool you'll need is a standard Phillips head screwdriver. First, take a moment to write down the 6-digit programming and 2 preset user codes for your lock. You can find these on the hard copy of your installation instructions and on the yellow sticker attached to the lock. You'll need these codes for reference during the enrollment process after your lock is installed. You will be installing the latch first. The latch comes with a pre-attached round faceplate, but you can change to an optional drive-in faceplate if your door calls for it. Slide the latch into place with the beveled edge facing the door jamb. If you're using the rectangular faceplate, secure it with the screws provided. If you use the round faceplate, tap it into place flush with the edge of the door, using a block of wood to protect the latch. Next, install the keypad on the outside of the door. Feed the cable under the latch assembly while sliding the tailpiece through the hole in the latch. Make sure the tailpiece slides straight through the latch and not at an angle. Holding the keypad in place, use your Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the hands-free post so that it extends beyond the inside surface of the door. Slide the baseplate onto the door over the hands-free post and feed the cable from the keypad through the rectangular hole, but do not connect the cable yet. The baseplate should lock into place against the surface of the door. If it doesn't, you may need to extend the hands-free post until it does. Once that's done, you can connect the cables and tuck the wires into the space provided on the right side of the baseplate. Install the 4 AA batteries and the battery cover at the bottom of the baseplate. Being careful that all wires are safely inside and will not be pinched, place the cover over the baseplate and secure it with the 2 screws provided. Now you're ready to install your levers. Ensure that each lever is oriented so that it points toward the hinge edge of the door and away from the latch edge. Snap the levers into place. That's it. The installation is complete. Keep the door open so you can't get locked out and test the lock. On the interior, press the lock button and it will turn red. The outside lever will move, but the latch will not move. Press the unlock button and it will turn green. The outside lever will move and the latch will retract. Key in one of the 4-digit preset user codes. The Schlage button will flash green and the door will unlock for 5 seconds. Press the lever to ensure that the latch retracts. Check your user instructions to manually change your codes, or go online to mynexia.com to complete setup and component enrollment and to add, delete, and change codes.
My life's definitely mobile, but it's really important for me to be connected with my family and my home. With Nexia Home Intelligence, I can do just that. It lets me simplify and manage my life by helping me make sure our home is safe, secure, and comfortable for my family, even when I'm not there. As soon as you use Nexia, you can tell it was designed to be easy to use by the top experts in the home, brands I've trusted for years. Nexia made it so easy to automate my home. The system actually communicates through the internet. I just chose the components I wanted and then set it up myself. All it took was a connection. And now, I can see and control my home on my phone and computer wherever I am and whenever I want. Let me tell you about some ways I use Nexia. I use a front porch camera to check for packages at the door. I've even used the indoor camera to see if the dogs were getting on the couch. One of my favorite Nexia features is that I was able to set my system up so I get a text message sent to my mobile phone telling me when my daughter gets home safely. I can also control the locks on the front door for things like letting my neighbor in to drop off our mail when my family's on vacation. I can turn lights off or on, inside or out. I always feel safe coming home when the lights are on. I can remotely control and schedule my heating and air conditioning to fit my lifestyle. And save some money by keeping my house the right temperature at the right time. Everything stays the way it should be. But if something isn't, Nexia Home Intelligence can send me an alert when something's not on schedule or needs attention. So I'm always able to make sure things keep running smoothly. I'm starting to wonder how I'd do without it. This system is designed to adapt to changes in technology, so it can grow along with me gradually and affordably. I think the next thing I'll add is another keypad lock to the back door, and maybe even one on the garage door. That'd be so convenient, and add even more security to my home. There's not a day that goes by when I don't use Nexia Home Intelligence. It helps me keep my mobile lifestyle by allowing me to run my home from wherever